Let's learn Hilchos Teshuvah, Shir number 40. Came the day of Yom Kippur. So much days was a long Elul, 30 days, 10 days of Aseres Teshuvah. Kadosh Baruch Hu became closer and closer to us, and now is the time. We're standing in Yom Kippur before Na'ileh, and it's the last chance to get into Heichal HaMelech, to become close to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, to get the gigantic connection that we could get in these days. The Rosh Hashiva of Yeshivas Be'er Yankov, Reb Moshe Shmuel Shapira, used to tell his Talmidim in Yeshiva, the Bachrim in Yeshiva, before Na'ileh, he used to speak, and he said this story. He said when he was a child, 4 years old, 5 years old, his father was a Rav in Lita, took him to the Chofetz Chaim. The Chofetz Chaim in that years was already old, and he used to live in a small town, a small village of Radin, and then it was a long way. And from the town that they used to live, the Shapira family, so they left and they took a train and they came to close to Radin, and from Radin, from the train station till Radin was the way with a horse and wagon till they came to Radin, and it was a long way, and the small kid Moshe Shmuel was tired and he was hungry and he had no koyach. And when they came close to the house of the Chofetz Chaim after this all long way, so like small children, he went into his mood and he started saying, I want to go home, I'm tired, I'm hungry, I don't want, and holding himself, and he's not ready to come into the Chofetz Chaim, and his father is begging him, Moshe Shmuel, we came till over here, it was a long way, we're so close, let's go to the Chofetz Chaim, let's get a bracha from him, he's so close over here. And this child is, no, I don't want, I'm tired, I want to go home, I'm tired, I'm hungry, I want to go home. And he was fighting, and so nervous and in the mood, and no way. And what happened is his father saw that he can't fight with him. He went to the Chofetz Chaim, he spoke to him what he was supposed to speak, and he was waiting outside. And then his father came out from the Chofetz Chaim's house, and they went together in the horse and wagon, and the train, and they came home. And he never saw the Chofetz Chaim. Reb Moshe Shmuel Shapira, later a big Rosh Hashiva, gigantic, huge Talmid Chacham, used to tell the Talmidim, the Bachrim in Yeshiva, and Be'er Yaakov, the story. And he used to say before Na'ileh, we're standing now, we came so close, not to the house of the Chofetz Chaim, we came so close to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, what we could get now in the davening of Na'ileh, when Psach Lanu Sha'ar, Be'ez Na'ileh Sha'ar, when it's closing down, a long time, 40 days, what we went through, from becoming closer and closer to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, now is the time we could grab it, we could go in, we could enter to the Eichal HaMelech, be so close to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Let's not lose this chance. Let's not lose this moment and come in and be close to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, what we could really get. Don't be a small baby from 4 years old that I'm tired and I'm hungry and I have no koyach. Use this minute. I have the koyach, and go in and become close to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. HaKadosh Baruch Hu gave us a gigantic present, a present of Teshuvah. He gave us a present of Yom Kippur. Everything what happened till today, all the stories that was, everything that, all the Aveiros, all the Chatoim, everything is taking it upon himself. He's telling us with a gigantic hug, you are clean, you are pure, you want to be good, so you will be good. You will have the Atzlacha to be good. Just step in, say, I'm ready, I want to be close to you. And the time of Na'ileh is the highest time in the whole year, what we could come to such a high level of closeness to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and from there continue on to a nice, lovely life of dveikus, of closeness to Hashem, of loving Hashem Yisbarach, living with Him the whole time. Chayei dvukim be'etz hachayim, bidavuk an eitz hachayim, ve'ochal and to be a ben olam haba in this world. We could be zoiche be'ezer Hashem, and we will be zoiche to closeness to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, to shnas geula of Yeshua, to ksiva v'chasima toiva, and to be zoiche to all what we wish b'shefa rav lemala miderech hateva, like HaKadosh Baruch Hu wants to give us and will give us be'ezer Hashem. We should all be zoiche.